He posed as various people, including the fathers of co-conspirators Ashley Vickers, 31, Dane Fitzwater, 34, and Samantha Doyle, 38, to make payments with the cards by phone. ADVERTISINGinRead invented by TeadsADVERTISINGinRead invented by Teads. The other accused targeted shops across Greater Manchester, browsing for cars, jewellery and motorbikes, Manchester Crown Court was told. Michael Brady, prosecuting, said Vickers and Fitzwater helped the group obtain cars and motorbikes, and Fitzwater managed to fund a new set of teeth veneers. The court heard that in August 2015, Vickers told a motorcycle shop he was interested in 2 bikes worth a total of £6,000 and his father would call and pay over the phone. Related articles: Police hunt for fraudsters who stole bank card from dying grandmoth. WhatsApp has a scam, do not click on this £250 money off voucher. Fitzwater helped keep watch before sending the garage's contact details to Khan, who called and paid for the bikes using stolen credit and debit card details. The group also got a £6,500 BMW 320, a £9,000 Audi A3 and a £10,500 Volkswagen Scirocco, said Mr Brady. He said a total of 9 cars and 6 motorbikes were taken, none of which have been recovered. In another scam, husband and wife Doyle and Fitzwater went into a jeweller's in Altrincham, Cheshire, and obtained a £2,600 Rolex watch. The group was rumbled in August 2016 when police found counterfeit cash in Khan's letterbox. Khan, of Manchester, admitted conspiracy to defraud and possessing counterfeit cash. Doyle, from Altrincham, admitted conspiracy to defraud. Fitzwater admitted 2 conspiracy counts and was convicted of conspiracy to defraud motor traders. Vickers, of Wigan, admitted conspiracy to defraud and theft. Related articles: Robbers and fraudsters could be spared jail under justice system. Britain's biggest crash for cash fraud gang foiled. FCA claim fraud level is the tip of the iceberg.